Hi guys, thank you so much for stopping by my channel today. I want to talk to you about this wraparound ponytail that I have in my hair right now, and I got it from Amazon. I usually shop on Amazon for I don't know, I guess household things. I get phone cases on there, chargers, containers, etc. But I'm starting to branch out and I shop more for fashion and beauty items, clothing, hair products, etc. So I will link this hair ponytail in my Amazon shop so that you can have direct link of which one it is to purchase it. Now, to start off, this is a wraparound ponytail. This is not a drawstring ponytail. So what you do is there's a clip piece that gets inserted into your ponytail and you wrap around the hair that is separate, that has Velcro on it, to put that into your hair. Now the whole point of this, I would say, is to make it look a lot more realistic. If you don't really wrap around the ponytail, it could, it'll show where your hair and the ponytail meet. So it's really nice to have that feature, and it's super easy to do. This is my first time putting something like this in my hair. I did it for my sister's wedding. She got married earlier this month and she wanted sleek ponytails, so I was like, let's test this out. It was about, I would say, $11 or $12. Not expensive at all, super affordable, and it's a yaki, I think it's a yaki silky texture, or yaki straight. I'm not sure. I'm going to link to it so you'll see all the description of it, but I did get it in the color 2. And the length, I think, was like 20-something inches. Now, this ponytail right now, let me just move right here so you can see the ends. This is shorter than the way it came, and it's also thinner. My actual hair straight alone is pretty thick, and I was finding that the ponytail was just a little too big for my liking. It was super thick and very long, so I cut it, and I kind of layered it a tiny bit to be like this. But if you want something that's thicker, it comes pretty thick and full, which is nice. I just knew that mixed with my hair, it was too much. I also did straighten it just to get a little of the kinks out. It can take heat up to about 300 without burning it. And be careful if you are going to cut it, because if you cut too much, you'll start to show the tracks. So I'm going to insert a video clip here for you guys to see how I put it on. Okay guys, so I'm stepping in here just to make sure that you have a thorough understanding of what to do here. So this is the hair. That little piece there is the wraparound, and there is a little pocket for you to insert your ponytail so that it blends better with your hair. Now this took me a few tries to get my pony in, because as you can see, it is pretty thick, but you just want to make sure that it's inside that little envelope slot, because if not, it will peek out and you will be able to see your hair more. So make sure that it is secure. Once it is in there and it's settled and it's pretty much hidden, all you have to do at this point, if you don't get your piece stuck in the bobby pin, is wrap that extra piece around. So you want to do this tightly, and you want to make sure that all of the Velcro is covered. Do not do this in a loose manner, because A, you will see the Velcro, and B, this is also going to help keep your ponytail in your hair and keep it from shifting or sliding. Now for the wedding, I did reinforce it with bobby pins, but right now I'm just going to show you how to do it simply. Depending on your hair's thickness or thinness, you might not need the bobby pins, but I didn't want to be dancing around and swing and turn around, and my ponytail was on the floor. It's very simple. Honestly, I think this is a really great alternative to having to go to the hair salon and getting a ponytail installed. Also, if you want to just add some length to your already existing ponytail, or hide the fact that you don't want to straighten your hair, these drawstring ponytails, or I'm sorry, wraparound ponytails are really easy and they're secure. It did not move, it did not fall out. I did pin it a little bit just to be sure, but I really didn't have any problems with it, and it lasted me the whole night. Now, I will say when I was sweating, because we were outside for a little bit, it did get a little knotty near the neck area. But that's nothing that a brush can't fix. Baby powder. Y'all already know my tricks with my wigs and my synthetic hair. I make it work. You find a way to make it work. And it's been, it's been pretty good to me now. Like I said, I have it in this braid. And I really love it. And I just wanted to share in case you want to try one. This is a simple and easy one. And it's affordable. Thank you guys so much for stopping by my channel. And I'll see you next time.